Good day, everybody. Here we are in my kitchen. Ooh, look at that. That is just, why did I put that thing up there? I really don't know. It's just hand wipe. I suppose I had no room in my pantry, so I've put it straight up there. Anywho, I'm in my kitchen and I've just been really busy. It's about 2 o'clock. And I'm starving, so I want to make something really quick and easy to eat. And as promised in one of my videos down below, if you scroll down, you will see that I posted a video where I did promise that I will be posting some recipes and things like that I do in my life. So let's go with it. So here we go. What I have here, I've already started. Oh, the light is a real bugger, isn't it? Which way should I go? That way. I've got a tortilla, a nice big tortilla. See my hand. And I've got some sweet potato mash here, which I had actually cooked in the microwave a day ago. And added some mascarpone cheese to it, just to make it nice and creamy and yummy. So I'll spread that along one half. And then I had some chicken from making my chicken broth. So I've got, I don't know. Let's go to my fridge. Where is my chicken broth? Here it is. Okay, look at that. Look how nice and golden that is. Woohoo! Okay, so that is the chicken from that chicken broth that I made. So I have about one thigh and one chicken leg in here. So this is going to make enough for 2 people for lunch. Okay, since it's really not easy to grate with one hand, I've got some vintage cheese here. It's beautiful, nice and tangy. So I'm going to just grate some. If you've got a proper grater, mine's in a dishwasher, so just use any old peeler and it'll give you nice thin slices of your cheese. Okay, so that's my cheese. I am happy with the amount of cheese at this stage. So, what to add to it to make it yummy? You can add tomatoes if you want, some olive. Oh, I'm going to put some chili in there. Yep, going to use the scissors to cut up my chili. Yep, a whole chili went in there. Oh, that's going to be nice and spicy. Ooh, just the way I like it. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm going to fold it up in half. And look at that, working with one hand, left hand too. Woohoo! So then I'm going to make a little kind of a crease here because I want to fold this up. I don't want to use my really, really big pan, but you can if you want to. And then I'm going to fold it up again. That cheese, oh, look at that. Yum-o. That cheese is going to make sure that it all sticks together, and I am about ready to pop this little baby in my pan with a tiny little bit of sunflower oil, and would be nice to have some coconut oil too pop in there. Yes, I've got some in the pantry. I might just do that and I shall be back. Alrighty, let's take this baby and pop it in here. It's not sizzling just yet, but it will very shortly. And you can actually pop something on top of it to kind of weigh it down. I've got my, oh gosh, there it is. That's nice and heavy. We can put a can of something and just weigh it down so it's nice and flat and let it cook. Until, you think it's ready. Just don't measure anything. I mean, you're not making a chocolate cake or anything like that. You are just making a quesadilla. So it's really easy. Ooh, I can hear it starting to bubble. I've got some eggs cooking over here. That's just because I had only 3 eggs in my carton. So I thought I'll get rid of that from the fridge and boil them ready for something else, maybe breakfast tomorrow or lunch. Anyway, I'll be back. Oh, cook, baby, cook. I'm pressing it down a little bit. Oh, Millie. just realised that I have some zucchini in my fridge, so I just used my trusty peeler and I peeled, rather grated, some zucchini in there. That won't take a minute to cook. I think it's time to flip now. Whoa! Look at that. I think I better turn the heat down a little bit. And then continue to grate my zucchini because, oh my gosh, it's starting to really, oh, okay, give me a second. I decided to slice thinly the rest of my zucchini. So that will take about a minute to be ready, and I think my quesadilla is just about ready. So I've got it on really low heat just to heat up everything inside it, because as you know, everything inside it is already cooked. Back to my plate. I've just got a simple green salad, a little bit of salt, a little bit over my shoulder for good luck, and just a little bit of lemon, just lemon juice, salt, pepper, and of course olive oil. So waiting for our quesadilla and our zucchini. And here it is. The salad's ready, our veggies are ready, our quesadilla's ready. Here on the side I just have like a spoon, a little bit more than a spoonful of aioli, which is like a capsicum relish. It's quite nice. You can chop up some tomatoes as well, maybe some cherry tomatoes, and a little bit of garlic, maybe a bit of salt and pepper, some more chili and olives, and oh yummo, I can't wait to dig in. Bon appetit everyone.